driving past where the old Seattle Viaduct is being torn down here on the waterfront. It's Good Friday today. As you can see, they've kind of messed up traffic here. We've got one lane in each direction. So here you go, you can see the work being done. Pulled down a pretty good amount of it. They're leaving this section here alone because of this pedestrian bridge. So they've removed the viaduct on either side of it, and they're going to leave this until the end. It was a good structure that served a lot of traffic for many years. I think it was built in the 1950s, 52 or so. I remember driving across that with my dad when I was a little kid, and there's a freight yard for the railroad up ahead here, and I saw one of the last of the coal steam engines operated in the yard. On-ramp to the new 99 South. And there is a homeless camp. Over 100 tents under there. Okay, so that is the update on the dismantling of Seattle's Viaduct. Okay, here we are back down here again. Later in the afternoon, Good Friday 2019, and we're just looking at the viaduct being torn down, heading northbound now. That's the ferry terminal, the Coleman Dock. So again, this section immediately ahead of us is not being torn down because there is a pedestrian bridge that goes through it, and they don't want to tear that down to disrupt pedestrian traffic getting on and off of the ferry. So you can see the cranes are busily working over there. Big pile of debris. Doesn't look like they've really gone that far since this morning when we drove by. And there's a guy spraying water for dust control. Okay, and that is it. So they still have, I don't know, maybe half a mile or so of viaduct to tear down in front of us. Half a mile behind us. It's a big project. As you can see, traffic is wonderful here. And it's going to continue being wonderful, especially when you get people making moves like that just kind of mess up traffic. Okay, so that is